Start assembling your fire pit by attaching the counterweight to the body using the 2 screws provided and a Phillips screwdriver to tighten it down. Next, insert the 2 wheels and the 2 feet, adjusting the height so that they are roughly equal. Now turn the body over so you can drop in your 20-pound liquid propane tank. Grab the hose from the upper fire pit assembly and use the coupling to attach it securely to the tank. Now turn the tank so the valve is facing the access port. Now locate the hardware for the glass windscreen and attach a nut and a bolt to each connection. If you assemble it, these will hold the glass in place. Make sure you tighten it up and not too tight. Don't want to break the glass. Now locate the box of lava rock. Slowly pour those into place. Make sure they cover the entire surface. Now, all that's left is to turn on the gas on your propane tank. Start and enjoy.